of your life if you were Brian, born in the stable next door to Messiah. Monty Python, Life of Brian. Jewish prince betrayed by a friend, regains his freedom, comes back for revenge. Ben-Hur from MGM. Father, 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 let there be some other way. No, no, take this cup away. Miracle Maker, Miracle Maker. Do you really believe one man can bear the full burden? Passion of the Christ, Go to Jesus